Mom, can we walk a little slower? I want to look around.
Yes, Lina, but don't stop too often. It is getting late.
I know, Mom. I just like watching the shops and lights. Mom, please wait for a moment.
What happened, Lina? Why did you stop suddenly?
Look at that dress in the window. It looks so beautiful. Mom, just imagine. If I wear this dress, I will look so pretty.
It is a nice dress, Lina. The design looks very elegant.
I really love the color and the style is also different. Mom, can we please buy it? I feel like I really want this dress.
Lina, tell me one thing honestly. Do you need this dress right now?
I don't need it, but I want it very much.
You already have many dresses at home. Some of them are still new.
But not like this one. This one feels special.
Wanting something special is normal, but we must think before buying.
Mom, please, just this one time. I will take care of it properly.
Lina, buying is not only about liking something. It is about need and value.
So you will not buy it for me?
Not today, Lina. We will buy things when they are truly needed.
It was really beautiful. The house feels so quiet now. I don't know why I feel like this. It was just a dress. But when I saw it, I felt so happy inside. It was shining in the light. It looked so perfect. If I wear that dress, everyone will look at me. Maybe I will look more beautiful, maybe more confident. Then why did Mom say no so quickly? Does she not understand how much I liked it? Maybe Mom does not love me as much as I think. No, that is not true. But why does it feel like that? I did not ask for too many things. I only asked for one dress. Everyone else gets new things. Why not me? Maybe I am not important.
Mom! Look what I bought today! I finally got these new shoes.
Oh wow, Alex. Those shoes look very nice. The design is really good.
Yes, Mom. I needed them for my practice. My old shoes were completely worn out.
That makes sense. Good that you bought them at the right time.
They look really new and stylish.
Lina, do you like them? They are very comfortable too.
Yes, they look nice.
He got something new.
When I asked for a dress, Mom said no.
Hey, no. Lina, what are you thinking about? You look quiet again.
Nothing, Mom. I am just sitting.
Did something happen? You don't look happy today.
I saw a dress today. I really liked it.
Then why didn't you buy it?
Mom said I already have many dresses.
Oh, I see.
You got new shoes.
Yes, because I really needed them. My old shoes were not usable anymore.
Needed. Maybe that is the difference.
Lina, you are sitting very quietly today. Is everything okay?
Yes, Dad, I am okay.
You don't look okay. You can tell me what is on your mind.
Dad, I saw a beautiful dress today. I really wanted it.
That sounds interesting. What happened then?
I asked Mom to buy it, but she said no.
Did she tell you the reason?
She said I already have many dresses.
That sounds like a thoughtful reason.
But Dad, Alex bought new shoes today.
Yes, I saw that. His old shoes were completely worn out.
So for him it was okay, but for me it was not.
Lina, there is a small difference between the two situations.
What difference, Dad?
Alex bought shoes because he needed them. His old ones were not usable anymore.
And my dress?
You wanted the dress because you liked it, not because you needed it. There is nothing wrong with liking beautiful things, but we must learn when to say yes and when to wait.
So, Mom was not wrong.
Not at all. She was trying to teach you something important.
I think I understand now.
Good. Learning this at your age is very special.
I was only thinking about what I wanted.
And now you are thinking about what is right. That is growth. Lina, what are you doing? You look very calm today.
I am just reading, Dad. I feel better now.
I have something for you.
For me? What is it, Dad?
Open it and see.
Dad, this is the same dress. The one I saw yesterday.
Yes, I went back to the shop today.
But Dad, you said we should not buy things without need.
That is true. But sometimes we can also buy something to bring a smile.
You bought it for me.
Yes, but not because you cried. Because you understood.
Thank you, Dad. I really like it.
Lina, now tell me honestly. How do you feel?
I feel happy, but also different.
What do you mean?
Before, I wanted the dress just because I liked it, and now I understand why we should wait and think.
That is the most important part.
And now you got the dress after learning something valuable.
Yes, this dress feels more special now.